In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group notes in N8N. Whether you're just starting with N8N or looking to streamline your workflows, knowing how to organize notes efficiently is crucial. Grouping notes not only keeps your workspace tidy, but also allows you to manage multiple notes as a single entity, boosting your productivity. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official N8N website. If you're new to N8N, it's a versatile workflow automation tool that lets you connect applications and automate tasks without coding. Once there, locate the sign-in option and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is quick and simple. Once you're inside your workspace, it's time to select the notes you want to group. Click and hold your mouse, then drag a box around the notes you wish to include. Make sure all the relevant notes are enclosed, as these will form your new group. With the note selected, press the C key on your keyboard. This instantly creates a comment box that encompasses all selected notes. Think of this box as a container that visually shows your notes are grouped together, making it easier to manage them collectively. To keep things clear, you might want to rename the comment box. Select it and press F2 or click directly on the existing label to edit it. You can also change the color of the box to match a color coding system or to make it stand out in your workflow. And that's it. Grouping notes in N8N is that simple. This method helps you stay organized, simplifies complex workflows, and makes managing your automations much easier. Thanks for watching. Enjoy creating more efficient systems with group notes, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more N8N tips and tutorials.